Stop 2. So what have you found? Yeah?
The one with the neck brace.
Ooh. Pad still. Right about. We're in Padstow. Would you just look at that view? Ballers.
Waiting for the light to shine, wondering when my life will be mine again. 'Cause I'm sitting here alone with no idea how I'm gonna get up these stairs.
Matt, how you feeling before?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah?
Before and after.
Hey! 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 He's getting thrown off on the first. One pullback. Oh, straight on.
Slap it, man.
They can't throw him. They can't throw him. Oh. Pete, how did it go? How did it go?
It was good. It was debut performance, 30 seconds. I'm pretty pleased
30
with how it
seconds.
went.
Strong start.
The record was 35, as I found out as I went up. But there's no timer. Should have started the watch really, so I could have a quick look.
Yeah.
What really got me is that slow tilt.
Yeah.
That's hard.
That's how they get you.
You got to get your hip over. You need trousers off, pants on. That's it. Maybe pants off too. And I should have said that on camera. Sorry.
You go early before.
You just gotta whisper sweet nothings to her, you know. She'll look after you as long as you look after her.
Wait,
You know yourself. Shout out to mom and dad, you know.
honestly.
I feel like I should be throwing money at him.
Yeah, she felt a bit angry when I got on there, to be honest.
It is mating season.
I should have sweetened her up a little bit of caressing, but
I told you.
I gave it my best.
Look at her taunting you.
Look at that fucking arse.
Alright, Colin. You good? Alright, you got everything you need, yeah? Yeah.
Aren't we so proud of them, guys?
There he is. There he is. Alright, get me those axes.
Man, you got that. Put him in.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it. Colin just needs a point.
Just one.
Oh, you
Well done, Colin.
Yeah, really good stuff.
You should have put
Fair
that
play.
on Strava.
She said, I'd like.
You have a rule of third.
Where have we seen this before, man? Where Pete does one good thing and he's like, it's easy. I know it all. We had it at the axe throwing. How'd that turn out?